Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Louise Nichols, I'm a textile artist and I live in Cornwall. And today's video is telling you all about the new stitch along that's going to be coming to YouTube in January. It'll be towards the end of January, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what it's going to be. So this time much smaller than the 16 blocks. It's to make these little birdhouses. So there are going to be 3 colour options. So I'll pop a little video in just of panning across all the 3 options now. Okay, so there's a blue option, there's a grey, it's a grey sort of verging on sort of a lilac-y grey, and then there's the green one that's hanging on the wall up there. So this is the print before it started, and the bird and the leaves are separate, and then you attach them. So I'm thinking, I haven't started recording it yet, but I'm all ready to go with it. There'll probably be 4 videos maybe in the series. As I say, it will start at the end of January, and it will work in the same way as the 16 block project did, where you'll buy the kit. This time there won't be options of threads or no threads. This will just be one kit, which will be £35, and it will be available from my shop, my website shop. Now, if you would like to reserve one of those kits, you don't have to know which colourway at the moment, but if you would like to reserve a kit, I'll leave my email address below, and then if you want to drop me an email, and I'll make sure as soon as the kits are ready, you'll be sent an email with the colour options on, and then you can let me know, and then once you've made payment, obviously, then I'll send out the kit, and then the videos will be on YouTube. They won't be on for a short time, they'll just be there forever. Yeah, I think that's all I need to say about it, really. I've got some notes on the table. Let me just check I've told you everything. I was going to tell you actually the origin of it. So years ago, I used to design for a magazine, and I did a little project, and I was designing some little pliques to go on to baby grows, and that's where this design came from. So it was, it's not the same, but that was kind of where the idea grew from, and I thought it might be quite nice to do a shaped piece as well. So yeah, that was really where it came from. So it'd be lovely if you could join me for that stitch along. As I say, it won't be a long one like the previous Christmas blocks, but yeah, if you want to join in or just watch, then that would be lovely. Okay then, thanks very much then. Bye.